Hello, my friends. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue when your product not showing on Shopify store, even though you've already added it. This problem can be frustrating, especially if your product is not showing up on website or store or collection page. The good news is that most of the time, the fix is simple once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll carefully explain, step by step, the most common reasons why products don't show up and exactly how to solve each one. Step 1. Check the product status. The very first place to look is your product's status. Log in to your Shopify dashboard. Go to Products and click on the product that isn't showing. Look at the product status setting at the top right. If it says Draft instead of Active, then the product won't appear in your store. This is a common oversight because many people add a product and forget to switch it from Draft to Active. All you need to do is set it to Active, click Save, and then refresh your store. In many cases, this alone will solve the problem instantly. Step 2. Check Publishing and Sales Channel settings. If your product is active, but still invisible, the next step is to confirm where it's published. Go to the same product page in your Shopify dashboard. Find the section that says Publishing or Sales Channels and Apps. Make sure Online Store is checked. If the online store channel isn't selected, Shopify won't push that product to your website. Similarly, check under Markets to confirm that the product is available in the specific region or country where you sell. For example, if you only have it active in United States, but your test customer is browsing from Canada, it may not show up. By turning on both the online store and the correct market, you're telling Shopify exactly where this product should appear. Step 3. Add products to a collection. Sometimes products don't show up because they're not assigned to any collection. Think of collections as the categories that feed into your storefront menus. In your Shopify admin, click Collections. Create a new one. For example, call it Homepage or Featured Products. Set the collection type to Manual so you can directly add the product yourself. Add the product, save, and check your store. Now the product should be visible within that collection. This is especially important if your homepage or navigation relies on collections instead of showing all products by default. Step 4. Update the navigation menu. Even if your product is in a collection, customers won't easily find it unless it's linked in your store's navigation. Go to Content, Menus. Open the main menu. This is usually the top navigation bar. If your catalog currently points to all products, you can switch it to the specific collection you just created. Save your changes and refresh the storefront. Now, when customers click on that menu link, they'll see the collection with your product included. Step 5. When to contact support. If you've gone through all of these steps, product is active, publishing is enabled, markets are correct, it's in a collection, and navigation is updated, but it's still not showing, then the issue may be more technical. For example, it could be related to your theme settings, a third-party app, or cached data. In that case, don't waste time troubleshooting blindly. Open Shopify support through live chat by visiting help.shopify.com. They usually respond quickly, and they can check the backend of your store for any hidden issues. By following these steps, you'll almost always fix the product not showing issue within a few minutes. And that's how you get your missing Shopify product to finally appear in your store. Try these methods, and you should have your products visible and ready for customers in no time. If this helped, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel.